Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Stellar cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're rebalancing your portfolio, taking advantage of Robinhood's features, or just exploring new platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, ensure you have verified accounts on both Crypto.com and Robinhood, and that you have some Stellar XLM tokens in your Crypto.com wallet. Also, keep an eye on any network fees or updates for 2025 crypto rules can change. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Navigate to your wallet section and select the Stellar asset you want to transfer. Step 2. Choose the Withdraw option for Stellar. You'll need to select the correct network. It's usually the Stellar network itself, so double-check to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Step 3. For the destination, you'll typically need to withdraw to a compatible wallet first, like a Stellar wallet on another platform, since Robinhood might not support direct deposits from exchanges. Once withdrawn, go to your Robinhood app. Head to the Crypto section and select Deposit or Transfer in. Step 4. In Robinhood, choose Stellar as the asset and select the appropriate deposit method. Paste the wallet address from your intermediary wallet or directly if supported in 2025. Confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always verify addresses to prevent losses, and be aware of any gas fees or Robinhood's policies. If you run into issues, check both platforms' help sections or contact support. And there you have it. Your Stellar is now on Robinhood. This transfer can help you access Robinhood's trading tools or rewards. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.